Welcome to EFTM, and we are in the car that you could win. How good is it? Stay till the end. Well, g'day. Here we are inside the EFTM Hyundai i30 Active. This is a $30,500 car with another $500 odd spent on ceramic tinting, so it's absolutely glorious in here. There ain't no concerns about heat from the sun. It literally blocks it out. It's very cool. But the other cool thing, we've installed a Uniden Dash View 30R. Now, this dash cam, front and rear, unbelievable, really good quality. Here it is here, that's it there. And I'll show you some vision while we drive up here to the roadworks and the traffic lights. It's great quality, really good quality. And the cool thing about the Uniden Dash View 30R is not only has it got a rear view camera as well, so you're catching both front and back, but there's a great app. So in the app, I can sit here, not when I'm driving, and I can connect via Wi-Fi to the dash cam and immediately download vision. So I actually don't have to get the SD card out, put it in a computer and do all that. I can just download it straight onto my phone. Very cool, high quality, great product, and a big thank you to Uniden for their support of this car giveaway and by supplying this cool dash cam, which you'll get if you win the car. It's that easy. You get a dash cam and a car. Look at it whichever way you want. Uniden dash cams, they've got a huge range. This is really their top of the line. This is their crowning jewel of dash cams, and well worth a consideration for your car if you don't win this one. You can enter now. There's not long left to enter. EFTM.com, click win a car, fill in all your details, and you know, you never know your luck in a big city. So you stayed to the end. Very smart, very wise, because there's another code, a secret code that can get you more entries in the car giveaway, and it's really quite simple. It's Uniden, the dash cam brand. So head back to EFTM.com, fill in your details if you haven't entered already. If you have already entered, jump back in, add Uniden as the secret YouTube code.